Hey you guys, it's LC. I am back with another appliance review. If this is your first time here, then welcome to my channel. I have a lot of content here. Some of it includes some awesome apartment appliances that I think you guys should get. And if you're returning, then welcome back. I'm back with another review. So I'm going to be reviewing this, what is this? The AICOK? AICOK. I'm so terrible. I'm so bad with pronouncing the names of these products. Like, if there's anything that you can thumbs down me on in these videos, it's definitely me trying to pronounce these names. But I got this juicer off of Amazon, and before I even get started, if you end up wanting this juicer, check my description and click the link so that you can purchase it on Amazon as well. But I got this juicer. I have had it now for about 2 months. And I've probably juiced it about like 20 times. And I'm obsessed. I'm in love with this juicer so much. I feel like it works so well. I wouldn't say I'm necessarily a beginner juicer, but I've never taken it as seriously as I'm taking it like now. And I definitely feel like this juicer is great quality for the price. And I definitely want to show you guys how it works and all that good stuff. And a couple things that you guys should know about it. In case you get it, I don't want you to mess up your machine. You know, I'm really big on making sure you guys keep your products nice. So just a few things to note about this. First thing is it has a few different pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and undo all this so that you can see what comes in it. So you have the overall machine, which is like this black part right here. It also comes with the cup, which is going to collect your juice. It comes with this extra cup, which collects the scrappings, and that's basically like the peels and skins that are coming from your fruits and veggies will collect in here. It also has this catch guard piece, which is this right here. This can be removed and placed back on. And this is basically when you are starting to juice and you put your veggies in, and if any of them start to drop, this will catch it so that it won't fall like all over your counter. This whole piece is detachable. You can remove it by holding down, which is very hard to do with one hand, but holding down and pushing and then pulling it out. So you can see, and then all these pieces come out. So let me show you how these separate. Okay, so sorry for all these fruits and vegetables being in your face. I'm about to juice all of these, but I just want to show you guys the actual like juicing components. So this is the catch guard. Like I said, it does come off. This is where the pulp squeezes out of, and this does twist off. Oh my God, it's not that hard. I'm just kind of weak, but it does twist off. This is, I don't know the names of all these things, but this is basically where the pulp goes through. I don't know what this is called, but this is another component. This is what kind of crushes the fruits and vegetables, and this also pulls out, and then this is all one piece. So when you're taking this out to wash all of it, you do want to take all of these different pieces out. It also gives you, and where is it at? So it also comes with this toothbrush, and I definitely recommend that you don't lose this, because this is going to be really the only thing that can deep clean this. And as you guys can see, it has a bunch of little holes, and this can be extremely hard to clean, and you don't want any leftover vegetable or fruit to get stuck up in this, and they'll start to like rot and mold, and that's not what we want. So you really have to use that brush to clean this out. If you lose it, I think you can get a replacement one, or you can probably just use a regular toothbrush that you can go purchase from the store, but you definitely need a brush. So to get like into all these little crevices, your sponge is not going to do that. You have this piece here and this piece, and you're going to insert this into this hole that is like right here that my finger's sticking out of. So you're going to push it through that hole, push it all the way out until the until the metal is like sticking out. Then you're going to apply like this little grater thing, which is going to separate all the pulp from it. Push that in like that. And then the part that actually pushes the pulp out, you're going to just twist it on. And this is done. And then I do put the guard on top, just like this. Okay, so in the back, you do have your power buttons. So this one is the power. This is basically meaning it's off, and then this is to reverse it. And the reason why you would want to use the reverse is it says in the instructions, and you guys know I like to read my instructions, but it says in the instructions that before you remove this to clean it, you want to hold on the reverse button for like 5 seconds. I think I hold on it for probably like 10 seconds, but that basically helps loosen up the fruit pulp and all that from this contraption, so that's easier for you to clean out. One thing I 100% recommend, I almost basically am telling you that this is necessary if you're going to get this, you have to clean this thing the minute you are done making your juice. Do not walk away and come back to it later to come wash it out, because that fruit and everything will start to dry up and get stuck into all of these little micro holes and all these little yummy contraptions that can hold a bunch of nasty bacteria, and it can become almost impossible to clean. Now, granted, they do give you 2 of these like what are these? I don't know what the heck this is. This like grater looking thing. They give you 2 of them, probably because it can easily hold bacteria if you're not washing it directly. But my recommendation, I'll show you guys when I'm done, is to immediately, you know, put your juice in the fridge so it can get cold, and then undo all of this stuff and immediately wash it while everything is still wet, because it's so much easier to clean. Okay, so let's get into the juicing. So as far as what I have here, I have some celery, I have some kale, some spinach, some apples, and a lime. I'm definitely trying to do better with using more alkaline fruits and vegetables with my juicing. I'm just kind of on this like little health kick thing where I'm just trying to do better. But I have a lot of recipes, and I will start featuring my juicing recipes on my food channel. So if you don't follow my food channel already, then you're going to want to go follow and subscribe to my food channel on YouTube. Okay, so one more thing I recommend when it comes to your fruits and vegetables in this juicer is you definitely are going to have to pre-chop everything. So make sure that your sizes are no larger than, I would say, about 2 to 3 inches. I try to keep them pretty small. I do that because I don't want to clog up the juicer and end up having it like break down or anything, because I don't have money for like broken products. So I'll show you guys the size. I'm going to cut all this. I'm not juicing all of this, like especially not all this celery. I'll probably do like 2 or 3 of these celeries, but I'll probably juice the rest of this. So I'm going to chop this up, and then I'll show you guys how it processes through the juicer. And I like to remove the foam from the top of the juice. I don't really like the texture of it. I don't like the taste of it. So I do recommend removing it. I just use a metal spoon and I just scoop the top. It's really easy to take off, as you can see. And then just go ahead and rinse all that out in the sink. And you can see here's our juice. It looks so good. I can drink this thing in like a day or 2 days max, but it's delicious. So like I mentioned, I like to immediately clean the machine after I'm done using it. So you can see I'm throwing everything into my sink with running hot water just to kind of help break everything up so it's easier to clean. I'm separating things, and then I'm going to start going in and cleaning out all these pieces either with my sponge or like you can see here with the brush that they gave me. So this is why the brush is so helpful to clean out this little grater, because all these little holes can really trap in the fruit and the vegetables. So I definitely recommend, again and again, I cannot stress it enough, clean your machine right when you're done so that you don't regret it, and definitely use a toothbrush for these small pieces. So if you want to purchase this machine for yourself, I do have the link below in my bio. Go ahead and click to order it off of Amazon. And if you do end up using it, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Share some of your favorite juice recipes. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you do enjoy these appliance reviews, I have more to come, and I will be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.